Hey, hi, Hamilton. Nothing is subject stated has been came from please. I'm on fire right now. And it really burns. And I don't know why. So we're probably gonna do like 2 rounds this thing. So okay, so I think it's having freeze table. So there's an owl. There's an orange right there. Mr. P is sleeping in this room right now. So I am being very careful that I don't wake him up. Yo, yo, meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh no. Okay, you know, I don't really like freeze tornado. He's not really the best tornado. Tornado at least. We'll see. Really don't like the avalanche, man. Avalanche. 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 I don't know what's here. Okay. Well, Mr. P is waking up. And the tornado has me. Help. 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 Yes, I mean, see my please. Help. 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 Wait, what's the... I remember the tree. I remember that tree. I just remember it. I just remember it. Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun. Ramanagi, Ramanagi, Ramanagi. Ramanagi. Ramanagi, Ramanagi. I don't know. It's 21. So, I did remember. I don't understand. Concepts. Oh, no, no, please. Why? Just why? Yeah. I have one. I have it on one, okay, guys? Why? Of course I can't survive. You know, man, of course I can't survive that. Well, guys, I hope it's my comic bomb. I don't think there's anything else. Maybe there's, I don't know. Oh, there's no cats. Disaster, imminent tornado. Oh. Hey, this ain't what I want to see. That's kind of weird. Hey, what might I'll turn up the sound? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna make it, honestly. I really don't. I mean, I might. No, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Mr. P, help him. Mr. P, if you're watching this video, tell my grandchildren, my children that I love them. Please, tell them. You're a great friend, Mr. P. I told you you were a great coming. More to that. Anyway, guys, yeah, subscribe to Zane, and I forgot his last name. It's okay. So guys, this is Infernato, and that's probably why I'm on fire right now. Stay away from, yep, see, a fire extinguisher. Yeah, I'm already on fire. The humidity has already got to me already. Even in the last round, I felt on fire, I knew it. Okay, this might be my last round. I might do one more round, but there's a black hole in this round, so thank you whoever done that to me. I might record the last round if there is Doomsday, so I'll try to wait till that. If not, then okay. So if you don't hear me talking, it's probably because I'm trying to go to sleep. But I might keep on playing until there's Doomsday, then I'll record that. But there's probably not gonna be audio, but we're still good. You know, we're good. Okay, so I might turn up. Oh, there it is. I repeat, there it is. Hey, then I'll watch Zanen's way. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna see Zanen's point of view because I really, you guys probably already seen my point of view, and let's just say it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a crazy ride. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You need some space. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a tornado. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. We're good. Just keep on running. Oh, there's a fire. We didn't call for the fire truck after the tornado because, well, they really can't. Oh my god. Help! Let me go. I'm on fire already, okay, buddy? Oh, wow. And there's supposed to be a black hole now. I don't think I'm gonna survive this, guys. I really don't think. There is like 1% chance that I will die. Okay? Like 18 seconds. You know, I've been playing this all day, right? Well, it's already morning. But I woke up at like 5 o'clock this morning. And I'm just gonna play on it. And it's literally like 8:30 right now. 8:30, baby. Oh no. AM, it's AM, okay? AM. You don't understand the concept of cats. I do, guys. I do not know where books. If you guys want me to buy one, in the comments, say what do you want to buy me, what do you guys want me to buy, and I'll buy it, okay? If you mean black hole, here, I'll scroll over if you're brand new and you're watching this video. I'll scroll over if you don't know what tornado I'll use. Tsunami, meteor, acid rain, flood, hurricane, pollution, lava flood, atomic bomb, volcano, alien invasion, black hole. There you go. Oh my god. The time nervous here. Wow, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna stay in this corner. And yeah, I'm kind of nervous here. But we're okay. Oh my gosh. Scared. I'm really scared about that. I'm breathing out fire. Not really. I really hope it goes outside me. Help, I'm stuck in a wall. Wait, will I survive since I'm stuck in the barrier? Maybe, I hope. Oh, volcano. Well, I'll finally, it's a Doomsday. I think we've done Doomsday, before, so we're good, but we really, it's a high risk on this part, so I really want to get that part. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Yep, phase 2, I agree. Okay. Oh my, what is even happening right now? Why is my fire green, and why am I blue? I don't understand. What the? What is even happening right now? Honestly. My game? Wow. You think I was gonna die? I don't even know how I survived this. If I'm the only survivor, how much more survivors? 32. Oh no, I gotta survive this round. What is even happening? I don't even know. Maybe my game's crashing. It's probably correct, unless it's... I think it's crashing, I'm not sure. I don't think the ground's supposed to be this way. Okay, the remains just from the black hole. Nope. Okay. Okay. Maybe my game just crashed. I might have to reset my tablet. Alright. Well, it's alright. Hey guys, gonna go, refresh the page.